Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making this mocha cookie crumble Starbucks copycat. Okay, so of course you want to have your ice ready. We're using about 2 cups of ice, and I'm going in with some Oreos. You can do as many or as little Oreos as you want to, it's up to you. Next, I'm going in with some chocolate syrup. Now for the important ingredient, you need that Starbucks Frappuccino in the Mocha, and you want to give that a good shake and pour that in your blender. Once you get everything in your blender, just blend that up until it's nice and smooth. And you can decorate your cup while everything is blending. Once everything is done, just pour your Frappuccino into your cup, top it with some whipped cream and extra caramel and chocolate drizzle. And I did go the extra mile and put some cookie crumble on top of the whipped cream. And there you have it. You have your mocha cookie crumble Starbucks edition at home. No long lines, no overpriced prices, and it tastes just the same. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.